Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to create a Folio board. So when you're doing level 2 photography, so you're going to make 2 boards. And if you do level 3 photography, you're going to make 3 Folio boards. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to share my screen, the Photoshop screen. Okay, just simply I'm just opening up my Photoshop, and as you can see here, just create, open, just create, or either way, just file, top menu, and create a new. Okay, just create new button here. And as you can see here, just numbers here. Then just make sure centimeters, not inches, not millimeters, yeah, centimeters. Just width F60 and height is 80. Okay, 60, 80, make sure, and then pixel per inch. And a bit tricky, the centimeters, and this side is inch, pixel per inch, and number is going to be 300. And background contents, just make it white, and just create. And now you got a Folio board. And you're filling up images, and then let's go on next and next. And just you can complete your photography and get it passing and get credits. Congratulations. All right, so in turn, just make your boards. Okay, it's bye for now.